episode 124 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a bullish pin bar trade setup. This is one of the easiest trade setups to identify because, as we know, there's only one candlestick that we are looking for. So let's go onto the charts and see what this looks like in real life, how to take a trade based on this trade setup, where to place your stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at a bullish pin bar trade setup here. This is dollar Swiss franc 4-hour chart. A bullish pin bar trade setup is a single candle trade setup, so it's really easy to identify. In this case, the tail is pointing to the downside, which means price is likely to go higher. So once we see this bullish pin bar, we wait for a bit of a pullback here. Because this is a 4-hour chart, I like waiting for a pullback because our stop will be much better then. Once the price pulls back, we enter the trade long here. Stop goes below the pin here, making sure trade has some room to breathe, and then we continue on with our trade. As price continues upwards, we trail our stop, and we see that once price comes to the next support and resistance level here, price stalls out. We have this indecision candle and then these small bearish pin bar here. So as a result of that, we'll close our trade out here because it could go sideways or it could just drop like it did here. So we want to make sure we exit the trade once price stalls out. In this case, we got 92 pips in the trade from entry to exit. So just to recap, in this case, we are looking for a bullish pin bar, and this is what it looks like. We have a long tail and a small candle body here. Once the price closes like this, once this candle closes and shows us a bullish pin bar, we're looking for price to move up higher. So we'll wait for a pullback and then enter our trade long here. Stop would go below the pin, making sure there is room for trade to breathe, just in case price decides to come lower and test the bottom again. We enter the trade long and we stay with the trade as long as price is moving higher. Once we get to the next support and resistance level, we can see we have an indecision candle followed by some weak candles here that show that price may not be willing to go higher. So we exit our trade. From entry to exit, we get 92 pips in the trade, or $920 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this trade setup, please feel free to share it with your friends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another great trade setup tomorrow.